Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to download images from Pinterest. Whether you're a creator or just looking for some cool images, this method will come in handy. So let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have an account, you might want to register. It's free and gives you access to loads of inspiring content. Now, let's find the image you want to download. Use the search bar to search for specific topics or browse different boards until you find the perfect image. When you find the image you want, click on it to open the full view. This is important for the next step. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, select the option that says Download Image. A notification that the image has been downloaded will appear at the very top of the screen. After that, open your gallery and the image will be there. And there it is. A quick and easy way to download images from Pinterest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.